Welcome to Weekly Manufacturing, where innovation meets precision. From the latest machinery to state-of-the-art solutions, we're constantly pushing boundaries to stay ahead in modern manufacturing. At the core of our success is Simio software, the ultimate tool for predictive insights and operational excellence. With Simio's groundbreaking digital twin technology, we've transformed the way we work. By creating a virtual replica of our operations, we can simulate, predict, and optimize every detail, eliminating inefficiencies before they ever become real-world problems. But what if we could take things even further? Get ready for the next big leap in manufacturing innovation. Introducing the newest feature of Simio, the Simio Time Machine. With this powerful addition, Simio not only helps you shape the future, but also lets you dive into the past to gain valuable insights. Imagine this. Our factory transported millions of years back in time, powered by the Simio Time Machine. How would our operations adapt to prehistoric challenges? Could our assembly lines handle the unpredictable interruptions of a curious stegosaurus? These are the questions we're answering with this one-of-a-kind feature. Who knew production timelines could survive the age of the dinosaurs? Okay, maybe we're getting carried away. Happy April Fool's Day from Simio. While we haven't quite mastered time travel yet, there's no joke about the power of Simio in our operations. Simio's digital twin solution is the real deal. By creating a mirror image of your processes, you can design, analyze, and optimize, as well as predict and prescribe both current and future performance. With Simio, you have a powerful platform designed for creating intelligent, adaptive process digital twins that replicate real-world operations with precision. Built on industry-leading discrete event simulation technology, Simio supports your Industry 4.0 digital transformation. From designing and optimizing simulation models to deploying fully autonomous operations, Simio equips you to enhance efficiency, make smarter decisions, and confidently navigate the future of your business. Simio software helps us turn vision into reality. Discover how Simio's digital twin simulation can elevate your business too. Visit simio.com to learn more.